If you want to know my areas of interest, one was environmental, which I guess on a very large scale it helps if you're a lawyer. There's a lot of small things you can do on your own, like having a law background, having your license is unnecessary for doing environmental things. It's not a ton, but I started a leaf mold pile in my parents' backyard. I have no idea where the bags of leaves on the curb actually wind up, but in their backyard now, we're turning it into mulch. My goal is to have a compost pile back there eventually. That's going to be a harder sell for them. I almost never use plastic bags if I could help it. Like around here at Earl of Sandwich, there's really no time to tell them, don't give me the plastic bag. They're gonna make the sandwich, wrap it in that foil, put it in the bag, then hand it to you. At the supermarkets, I bring like cardboard boxes or tote bags, or just carry the stuff. The liners in the small garbage cans in the hotel rooms, that's Paris, right behind me. I was there for 2 days a couple weeks ago. I almost never use the liners. My goal this year is to use 0 liners in the hotel rooms, 0 plastic bags, like at supermarkets, if you could help it. Even when I get my voucher drinks, I just carry it. Even sometimes that means carrying 4 in my hands up to my car. Just never want to use the plastic bags. There are other things I do, but it would be nice if we could get everyone doing them, and everyone doing something small adds up. You don't need to be a lawyer to do that. My second area of interest, because of that professor who worked in the Defense Department, was like national security. Took some very interesting classes on national security, cyber security, space law. I think he's one of like the leading guys kind of forming laws for like space warfare, because that'll happen eventually. Also like a war crimes class, some things that really are necessary out there. Learned some interesting things about cruises. Seems to be very, very easy to get away with some really malicious things on cruises if you know what laws are governing you. So those were my areas of interest. I did get an unpaid internship with Legal Aid, and in the interview it sounded like I would be able to do some things environmental related, and just wasn't the case. It was mostly people who needed help doing some I don't even remember the term anymore. When you represent yourself, like people filing for divorce mostly. There were some other reasons people would kind of handle everything themselves, but they had no idea how to fill out the forms and like take them to the courthouse. So they would come to Legal Aid and we would help them fill everything out and give them instructions on what to do once they got to the courthouse. But that was like really all of the practical stuff I ever did. If you want to know about the finances, tomorrow I'll talk about finances. I know these videos, it might be like 2, 3, 4 videos. I know I've been talking for a while, so finances, next video.